Hi everyone, Alex here from the X-Pro, and today we are going to share with you an injection molding prototype done for the product that we already explained, and that product is a chip lock tray that customer had a request for some modification, and then we created the mold, and now we have a samples. So for this project we actually did a tutorial and previous explanation video about the whole project and what the request is. But today we're going to share actual samples. So here in the front of me I have 3 samples and 1 original unit that's currently being used in casinos. So this is standard in all casinos all around the world, but mostly here in the US. Here we have 3 samples. 2 are the same, 3rd is not. Only difference here is the material. Here we have the ABS plastic. Here we have a PC, polycarbonate. It's very similar but very different material. And one noticeable difference is a clarity. Here in my right hand I'm holding the ABS and here is the PC. I'm not sure how much you can see it on the camera, but PC is much more clear, almost like a glass. PC is also much durable, but PC has this advantage: it's really hard to flow in the mold. So this is much easier to make, but less durable, probably less scratch resistant, let's say like that. But PC is much harder to make, but it's much stronger and it looks better. And as you can see, it does the job. So idea is that we can stack as much as we want of these trays on one on top of the other, and that's the whole catch about this product. Customer is soon gonna launch this, and we're gonna share the link where you can purchase it if you're a poker fan or collector. But that's overall it. Make sure to check out tutorial how this is done so you can see all the draft angles, what's important for injection molding and so on. Thank you for watching.